Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Restaurant Tycoon 2 on Roblox. I was playing it before, so just don't judge me. Please don't judge me. So yeah. Okay, so here is a game right here. It's so much fun, like oh my god, I love the game. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so right now joining the server. Can't wait to play. Like it's like the best. I always play it. It's so much fun. I used to always play Berry Avenue, guys. I'm starting to like this a bit more. And I used to like every single day play this Minecraft, but I stopped because I wanted to showdown. I just stopped because I'm bored. Look what I did to like the table. Even though it's all connected, I'm not connected. Should I connect it? I'm not connected quick so nobody comes in. Okay, anyways, here. So right now we have to sell it. Okay, now we have to get the table. Really big. Is it like almost? Is it like almost? I actually really like this game. Or I should go check out other people's restaurant and see what's going on. I feel like I'm not early. Looks like I'm going to hit fire. Sigma's place. House is right. I'm so sorry about that. Um, sorry. Excuse me. It's because I was busy doing something. So, oh, where am I going to take that? Oh, I need to make it. It's like, I'm like comparing myself. It really is that bad. Okay guys, we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I love how you guys just play. We're trying to get the subscribers on account. So please, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.